What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And I am so excited for today's video. So first of all, normally here on my channel we talk about all things Disney planning, travel, and some lifestyle things as well. I am in the middle of my 12 Days of Christmas series where I'll be posting 12 holiday / Christmas themed videos from December 1st all the way until December 22nd. So be sure to be on the look for that. There's no specified schedule, so just know that you're going to be getting videos pretty frequently, and it'll be 12 of them from December 1st to December 22nd. And so of course you want to go ahead and be sure that you're subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit that bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I do post a new video, because I have a lot of other fun content coming to you guys here soon. So excited. I have, if you've probably already seen, but I've had some collaborations and just some fun things. So just stay tuned, subscribe please. And for today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be showing you my Disney Christmas ornaments, and I'm going to be showing you my tree as well. And so after I show you my Disney Christmas ornaments, I will just show you my entire tree, show you like where I placed them and stuff. Right now I'm going to be showing you my Disney Christmas ornaments. So this is like my whole like collection of Disney Christmas ornaments, and they're like mine. So my family has some, but these are specifically mine, like ones that I've purchased. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started before this video gets too long. You can kind of already hear the first ornament. But the first ornament is this Mickey head shaped like Jingle Bell ornament, and it does jingle. There are bells in there, and you can see it has like stars and little shapes cut out. I just think it's pretty, and it's gold. Gold is my favorite out of like gold, silver, and rose gold. So I just love it so much. I believe I got this one in a subscription box, so I'm actually super excited. It is one of my favorite ornaments. So I will save the ones that I just recently bought for last. But the second one that I will show you, I have like so much laid out here, y'all. It's pretty insane. This one I love. It did break, which is unfortunate, and I'm hoping that I could potentially find, I don't know if they still sell this, I'm sure they do, but I need to get probably another one. But it is a shoe ornament, and it is Maleficent. So you can see like her horns there, and like her staff is the heel, and her signature on the bottom. It's like purple bottoms. Anyway, but it has like the fire in the middle, and this is kind of like where it broke. You can kind of tell, but so it's okay. Hopefully I can get another one, but it is a very beautiful ornament nonetheless. So that is my second one. Maleficent is, in case you didn't know, she is my favorite Disney villain. So yes, and I did go see the new movie, and I really enjoyed it. So anywho, let's see, we're going to just keep on going. I'm going to put this one back, and I have everything wrapped so nothing gets broken. But oh yes, so some of these I haven't taken off because I bought them last year, and I was waiting for the opportunity to where I would have my own place and my own tree. So but this is a sketchbook ornament, and it is Belle, and this is my favorite version of Belle in her like red Christmassy dress, but she's holding a bird there and sitting on like the stone. Look at her little robe. No, sorry, not a robe, but like, yeah, her little coat. But it does sing. I won't play it. I'll try to link the video above where I showed where I purchased this from last year. But she does sing something there, and that is what that is. So you can see at the bottom where you can play her. So it says I sing. I just love this so much. I think I could play it and just hit it to stop. So there you go. Okay, so the next ornament here, of course, this is a sketchbook legacy ornament celebrating anniversaries. I do have another one I can't wait to show you guys. This was celebrating Mulan's 20th anniversary. I love Mulan so much. She's one of my favorite princesses, and this was her commemorative ornament for 20 years. See the 20, and it is just her in front of like a door. Pretty, such a pretty design, and she's in her traditional attire, which is probably my favorite like version of her, in her traditional Chinese attire. I just really love her. Isn't she just so beautiful? And she's holding Cricky, so that's cute. I love getting ornaments of like my favorite characters, and so that's kind of like probably the theme that you're going to be seeing here. The next one I will show you, I did get in a subscription box. I really love the movie Up, even though it makes me sad whenever I watch it. I can't watch it super often. I have to be in a mood to watch it, but it is another sketchbook ornament, and it is of the Up house. I really do like this one. It is gorgeous. Look at all the detail of the house and all the colors, and there's the balloons up top. I just think that's very pretty. This movie gives me all the feels every single time. So yes, that is that ornament. This ornament is one of my absolute favorites. I got it on a trip to Disney World. I don't know if it was the last trip I went on. It might have been the trip before with my family, the last family trip I went on. But it is the classic key, and it says Walt Disney World on the back in the regular font, shaped in a Mickey head. It's like a skeleton key, and it's got the castle, and then it's got, if you can tell, like little rhinestones in there. So like around here. So, and the key is shaped in a Mickey head. I love this. It's like keys to the kingdom. Hey. I really do like that. The next one that I'm showing you is one of my more recent ones that I acquired, and it is from my friend Heather over at the Disney Housewife. I'll link her channel down below, but she gifted me this in my birthday box. We did like a little birthday gift exchange, and she gave me this ornament. And y'all know that Aladdin is one of my favorite Disney movies. Of course, my channel name is kind of reminiscent of that, but yeah, it is just Aladdin and Jasmine on the magic carpet. Look at all the detail, and they look gorgeous. They did such a good job, like on their faces and the magic carpet. Oof. And it does sing, so it sings Whole New World, as you can guess. You have to see me jamming out on that video. I'll link that video above. But I just love all of these ornaments. Are providing me so much joy right now. It's pretty insane. The next one that I have is an ear hat ornament. I have a couple of these, and this is Ariel. Oh, look at that. This is the back. She has the starfish and the shell on the back, and then actually that's the front. This is the back, and it has her signature there, and her flower that she puts in her hair. It's very pretty. I really do like this one. I got it because when I ran the Walt Disney World Half Marathon, I tried to be Ariel last minute because my Jasmine costume didn't come in time. So that's why I ended up getting it. I got it on that trip when we went to Disney World and ran the half marathon. So yeah. And then of course I did get another ear hat ornament, and it is of my favorite Disney princess, and that is Jasmine. And you can see there's her flower, Agara in the other ear, the magic lamp, and her like little headband type of thing situation there. And then on the back it has her signature and like her hair, and then the magic carpet right there. So much detail in this. I really do like it. It says Princess Jasmine on the back. So had to get that because she's my favorite Disney princess, of course. Speaking of the half marathon, I haven't taken this out of the box because I've been waiting to get, you know, my own place and my own tree. So I did, since I ran the half marathon, I did get the commemorative ornament because it was my first ever half marathon, first ever run Disney race. So I had to get it, and it does have, you know, the 2 parks. I think it actually has all 4 parks, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it has all 4 parks represented there. And then the back has the castle, and it says, Yeah, Disney World Marathon, I think weekend, right? Yeah, Marathon weekend. So, and it says Run Disney on like the little tongue part. It is very gorgeous. And then, oh, look, on the bottom, it has Mickey and them running. I freaking love this ornament. There's so much detail in it, and I cannot wait to put it on my tree because it symbolizes an accomplishment that I accomplished, which is running a half marathon. The last two ornaments are my most recent purchases. I showed this in my Disney haul for this 12 Days of Christmas that I'm doing, my Disney Christmas haul, but I will show it again for ornament's sake. So this is the Faux Fur. It's in the, like, I think it's mini actually, because it has a bow, and it's in the red and black buffalo check, and it's got two jingle bells right here. It's so soft. Oh, I think this will definitely go. This is just like my aesthetic so for Christmas. So I just really love it. It was just very classic, and I really like it, and it'll match, you know, the vibe that I'm going for Christmas this year. So really like that. And then the last ornament, I think this is my most recent purchase. Just got this here recently, and this was on sale, so I'm so excited. But it's the Legacy Again collection, where they celebrate anniversaries of movies, and this is Princess and the Frog, because Tiana is also one of my favorite princesses, and Princess and the Frog is one of my favorite movies. I really do really enjoy it, and it's the 10th anniversary. This year is the 10th anniversary because it came out in 2009. And this is her on the balcony when she's like at Charlotte's. I love it. And there's Prince Naveen as frog form on there, and there's Tiana in her blue dress, you know, wishing upon a star, which is, the star is right here. So that's I love the detail of that. So cute. Can't wait to display this one as well. I just love it. And there's like this stained glass element right here. I really do love it. I honestly, you know, I love all of my Disney ornaments, so I'm just super excited to put them on the tree. And can we just take a moment to look at this spirit jersey, because it's awesome. I don't know, I just caught a glimpse. It says Merry Christmas on the back, but anyway, that's beside the point. But for now, we are going to head over, and I will show you how they look on my tree. And yeah, I shall catch you over there.
Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King, peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the
all right guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and please comment down below if you have any Disney ornaments, or maybe what your favorite Disney ornament is that you own. I would love to know. I'm always on the hunt for new Disney ornaments, so please let me know. Yeah, so my next trip I can be on the lookout for something. But anyway, definitely subscribe and stay tuned, because I have more videos coming at you. So you got to be sure to stay tuned. A lot of fun stuff. I really hope you stick around. And I think that's going to be it for today's video. And as always, I hope y'all have a magical day.
With the angelic host proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem.